Hi, everyone. I'm Lucy.
And I'm James. Good to see you again, Lucy.
You too, James. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. Actually, I'm a bit hungry.
Hungry? It's only mid-morning.
I know, but I'm already thinking about lunch. Maybe a nice restaurant meal?
That's perfect timing because today we're talking about restaurants.
Exactly. We're going to learn how to order food in English at a restaurant.
This is such an important topic for English learners.
It really is. When you travel or live in an English-speaking country, you need to eat.
And restaurants are everywhere. You might feel nervous at first.
But don't worry. After today's lesson, you'll feel much more confident.
We have a great story for you today from our friend Paul.
Paul went to a restaurant last week and had a wonderful experience.
We'll listen to his story and learn useful phrases step by step.
Then we'll practice together so you can use these phrases in real life.
Sounds good?
Let's get started. Now, let's listen to Paul's restaurant experience. Last Saturday, I went to a nice restaurant in the city center. I opened the door and saw a friendly waiter. I smiled and said hello. Then I said, "A table for one, please?" The waiter smiled back and said, "This way, please." I followed him to a small table near the window. He gave me the menu and said, "I'll be back in a few minutes." I looked at the menu. There were many options: starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks. I saw tomato soup in the starters section. I love tomato soup. For the main course, I wanted the grilled chicken with vegetables. After a few minutes, the waiter came back. He asked, "Are you ready to order?" I said, "Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please." He wrote it down. Then he asked, "And for your main course?" I said, "I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please." He smiled and asked, "Anything to drink?" I said, "I would like a glass of water, please." He repeated my order to make sure. One tomato soup, one grilled chicken with vegetables, and one water. I said, "Yes, that's right. Thank you." He walked away to the kitchen. I waited about 10 minutes. Then he brought my soup. He said, "Enjoy your meal." I said, "Thank you." The soup was hot and delicious. After I finished, he took the empty bowl. A few minutes later, he brought my chicken. It looked amazing. During the meal, he came by and asked, "Is everything okay?" I said, "Yes, it's delicious, thank you." After I finished everything, I felt very full and happy. The waiter came back and asked, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?" I said, "No, thank you. I'm very full." He smiled. Then I said, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?" He said, "Of course, right away." He brought the bill. I looked at it and paid with my credit card. I said, "Here you are." He took the card and came back with the receipt. I said, "Thank you very much." He said, "Thank you. Have a great day." I left the restaurant feeling happy. That was Paul's restaurant experience from beginning to end.
I really like how he told the story. It was clear and simple.
Yes, and it had all the important steps: entering, ordering, eating, and paying.
I noticed he was very polite. He used please and thank you many times.
That's so important in a restaurant. Politeness makes everything easier.
I also like that he ordered simple food, soup and chicken.
Right? When you're learning, it's good to start with food you know.
And he felt confident. That's the most important thing.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about our own experiences.
James, do you remember your first time ordering in English at a restaurant?
I do. I was so nervous. I practiced my order 3 times before the waiter came.
That's normal. I did the same thing.
But the waiter was very patient and friendly. That helped a lot.
What did you order?
I ordered fish and chips. Something simple and classic.
Good choice. For me, I remember ordering pasta with tomato sauce.
Nice. And now we order in English all the time without thinking.
Exactly. Practice makes it natural.
Now let's look at some useful words from Paul's story.
These words will help you feel more confident in a restaurant.
First word, table.
A table is where you sit in a restaurant. It has chairs around it.
Paul said, "A table for 1, please."
If you go with friends, you say, a table for 2 or a table for 3.
Next word, menu.
The menu is the list of food and drinks you can order.
Paul looked at the menu and chose tomato, soup, and chicken.
The menu usually has different sections like starters and main courses.
Next word, starter.
A starter is a small dish you eat before the main meal.
Paul ordered tomato soup as his starter.
Other starters are salad or bread.
Next word, main course.
The main course is the biggest and most important dish.
Paul's main course was grilled chicken with vegetables.
Other main courses are pasta, fish, or steak.
Next word, order.
Order means to tell the waiter what food you want.
The waiter asked Paul, "Are you ready to order?"
And Paul said, "Yes, I am."
Next phrase, I would like.
This is a very polite way to ask for something.
Paul said, "I would like the tomato soup, please."
It's more polite than saying, I want.
Next phrase, I'll have.
This is another natural way to order food.
Paul said, "I'll have the grilled chicken, please."
Both I would like and I'll have are perfect for restaurants.
Next word, delicious.
Delicious means very, very good. It's about taste.
Paul said the soup was delicious.
You can use this word when food tastes amazing.
Next word, bill.
The bill is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay.
In American English, people also say check.
Paul said, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Both bill and check are correct. Everyone understands both.
Let's review the words we learned today.
Table, menu, starter, main course, order, I would like, I'll have, delicious, bill.
These are the most important words for restaurant conversations.
Now, let's use these words in a short conversation.
I'll ask questions about Paul's experience, and James will answer.
Ready? Let's go.
Where did Paul go last Saturday?
He went to a nice restaurant in the city center.
What did he say when he entered?
He said hello and asked for a table for 1.
What did Paul order as his starter?
He ordered tomato soup.
And what was his main course?
His main course was grilled chicken with vegetables.
What did he drink?
He had a glass of water.
How was the food?
It was delicious. He really enjoyed it.
What did Paul say at the end?
He asked for the bill and paid with his credit card.
Great conversation practice.
Now it's your turn to speak. Let's practice together.
I will say a sentence slowly. Then James We'll say it at normal speed. Then you repeat.
Remember, speaking out loud is very important for learning.
A table for one, please.
A table for one, please?
Good. Next sentence. I would like the tomato soup, please.
I would like the tomato soup, please.
Excellent. Keep going. I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
You're doing great. Can I have a glass of water, please?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Perfect pronunciation. Is everything okay?
Is everything okay?
Nice work. Yes, it's delicious, thank you.
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
One more sentence. Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Wonderful. You practiced 7 important sentences.
These sentences will help you in any restaurant.
The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes.
Your mouth and your brain work together when you speak out loud.
So keep practicing every day.
Now let's talk about a little grammar to help you sound more natural.
When you order food, you use polite phrases.
The most common phrases are, I would like and I'll have.
Both are polite and natural.
I would like is a little more formal.
For example, I would like the chicken, please.
I'll have is more casual, but still polite.
For example, I'll have the chicken, please.
You can use both in any restaurant.
Now let's talk about the word please.
Please is very important in English.
We use it when we ask for something.
It makes your request polite and friendly.
Paul used please many times. A table for one, please. I would like the soup, please.
Always try to add please when you order.
Another important word is thank you.
Use thank you when the waiter brings something or helps you.
Thank you shows respect and kindness.
In restaurants, people really appreciate politeness.
One more tip. You can use excuse me to get the waiter's attention.
For example, excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
It's polite and not rude.
So remember, please, thank you, and excuse me are your best friends in a restaurant. So, how can you use this in real life?
Let me give you some situations.
First situation. You're traveling and you're hungry.
You see a nice restaurant. You go inside.
You say, hello, a table for 2, please.
The waiter gives you the menu. You look at it.
When you're ready, you say, I would like the pasta, please.
Simple and clear.
Second situation. You're with a friend who doesn't speak English well.
You can help them order.
You can say, my friend will have the salad, and I'll have the soup.
That's very helpful.
Third situation. You're at a business lunch.
You want to sound professional and polite.
You use phrases like, I would like the fish, please, and could I have some water?
These phrases work in any situation, casual or formal.
The key is to stay calm and speak clearly.
Don't worry about making mistakes.
Most waiters are very patient and friendly.
They want to help you.
So just try your best and use the phrases we learned today.
Before we finish, let's talk about some small cultural differences.
This will help you understand restaurants in different countries.
In the United States and the United Kingdom, waiters are usually very friendly.
They might ask, how are you today? Or, is this your first time here?
This is normal. They want to make you feel welcome.
In the U.S., tipping is very important.
People usually leave 15 to 20% of the bill as a tip.
In the UK, tipping is common too, but around 10 to 15%.
In some countries, the tip is already included in the bill.
So always check the bill before you leave extra money.
Another thing, in many English-speaking countries, lunch breaks are shorter than in other places.
People often eat quickly, maybe 30 to 45 minutes.
Dinner is usually more relaxed. People take more time.
Also, in most restaurants, you wait for the waiter to bring the bill.
It's not polite to just leave money on the table and walk out.
You ask for the bill first, then pay, then leave.
Understanding these small things makes your experience much better.
Now, let's do a quick summary of everything we learned today.
We listened to Paul's restaurant story from start to finish.
We learned important vocabulary like table, menu, starter, main course, and bill.
We practiced useful phrases like I would like and I'll have.
We did shadowing practice to improve your speaking.
We talked about grammar and politeness.
And we learned about real-life situations and cultural tips.
That's a lot of useful information in one lesson.
But remember, you don't need to memorize everything today.
Just practice a little bit every day.
Start with simple orders. Maybe order a sandwich or a pizza.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
And always remember to smile and be polite.
A smile works in every language.
You're doing a great job learning English.
We're so proud of you for taking this step.
Keep going. Small steps every day make a big difference.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us about your experience in a restaurant.
Have you ordered food in English before?
What did you order? How did it go?
Or maybe, what's your favorite food to order?
Write your answer in the comments. We would love to read it.
Practicing and writing also helps your English.
And it helps us create better lessons for you.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you feel more confident about going to a restaurant now.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.